Good morning. This is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson for your weekly multimedia weather briefing for this December 11th, 2017. As highlights, I'll be talking a little bit about the rainfall and snowfall totals that we recorded last week, how we're expecting roller coaster temperatures this week, starting off warmer than normal today. Fire danger is our concern today, and the first of two cold fronts are expected to come through tonight. The second cold front will come through on Thursday, and then finally a third cold front will bring our best chance for rain this week on Sunday. Last week we recorded beneficial rain and snowfall across the area. This particular graphic depicts widespread inch amounts across much of the delta, but then some of the lower amounts between a half and 1 inch are recorded where some of the driest drought conditions still remain. Very beneficial rainfall, and as we'll see in the next graphic, snowfall fell across the Highway 84 corridor, where between 2 and 3 inches of rain fell in that Tuesday into Wednesday period, and then the Thursday into Friday period as well. All right, with the snowfall event that occurred late Thursday night and Friday, we saw snowfall across southeast 2/3 of the area with very high amounts going from like Brookhaven up between Meridian and Quitman. This is only a preliminary graphic. Look for an update on our webpage as some of the higher amounts across this band get filled in later today, possibly into Tuesday. Today, the snow and the rain are all gone. We're looking for another cold front that'll move through the region tonight. Ahead of the cold front today, it'll basically be warm and breezy conditions across our delta. This will lead to warmer than normal temperatures, and the normal highs for this time of year run into the mid to upper 50s. And as you can see from this graphic, we're looking for mid to upper 60s with lower 70s across much of the area. Again, our main concern with the breezy, dry conditions across the area and the warmer temperatures are also associated with dry soils. This will lead to enhanced fire danger across the area and strongly discourage any open burning. As we get into tonight, the winds will become lighter. The cold front will be moving across the area. We're not expecting any precipitation as this will be a dry cold front, and temperatures will be back down close to normal tonight. The normal morning lows for this time of the year run in the mid to upper 30s. As we get into Tuesday, we're looking for sunny conditions across much of the area. The temperatures will be held down by a north wind and a cooler, drier air mass across the region. Our normal highs run again from the mid 50s or the mid to upper 50s, so this will be a few degrees below normal on Tuesday. As we get into Wednesday, looks like high pressure will briefly build across the region. There will be another low pressure system across the central United States that will take shape, and a cold front that will advance toward our area and move across our region on Thursday. As this cold front moves across the region Thursday, we'll see the wind shift and another reinforcing shot of cool, dry air. Again, on Thursday, this cold front is expected to be dry and not bring any precipitation to the region. Cooler than normal temperatures will follow in the wake of Thursday's cold front on Friday, but the surface high will shift to the south, or should shift to the east on Saturday, and we'll see a southerly wind return Gulf moisture to the region and warmer temperatures. The highs Saturday should be back above normal. This will be ahead of a cold front that'll approach the area by Sunday morning and move across our area again Sunday into Sunday night. Moisture return is expected to be sufficient enough to warrant chance of rain with this cold front. When it's all said and done, we're looking for, on average, around a half an inch of rainfall with this cold front next Sunday. Other than that, we're not looking for any rainfall this week. This graphic kind of depicts the conditions that we're looking for. This is centered around the Jackson area here in central Mississippi. And you can see we have a few mornings of colder, or a few days even, of colder than normal temperatures in the wake of the front. Again, dry front Monday night, dry front Thursday, wet front on Sunday. With the beneficial rainfall and snowfall across the area, we're expecting it to make a little dent into the drought conditions, but the latest drought monitor still has moderate to severe drought across our southeast Arkansas counties. Across our Louisiana parishes, there in northeast Louisiana, we're still seeing moderate to severe drought across much of our parishes. Across much of central Mississippi, we're still in a moderate drought with abnormally dry conditions along the Highway 84 corridor and across portions of the Delta. This concludes the weekly weather briefing, and as always, thanks for viewing the National Weather Service Jackson's multimedia weather briefing for this week.